अगर कोई ऐसी चीज है जो आपके लिए 1 नवंबर दैट इज 1/11 पोर्टल पे स्टार्ट या फिनिश हुई थी, तो this reading is for you and your angel have some message for you, some very important message for you. So let's just see what that message is. So we have here 5 of cups, Hierophant, 2 of wands, the sun, which is very positive, and the strength card. So इससे हमें ये पता चलता है, नंबर फर्स्ट 5 of cups. So basically आपने जो चीज खोई है, that was actually very important for you. You wanted it to stay close to you for पूरे दिल से आप चाहते थे कि वो आपके साथ रहे, पर क्या ऐसा था कि वो चीज आपको एक्चुअल में मिजरेबल बना रही थी? There was some kind of imbalance जो कि सनशाइन को आने से रोक रहा था. So your sunshine was getting pounded by this imbalance which was there in this relationship, this business, this career, whatever it was. But mostly I see this is for most of you people, it is for some career thing that was very much in hack, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा किसी ने कब्जा कर रखा था, because there was something that was making you miserable. With sun card we are seeing that you have done your hard work, the sunshine is now finally ready to get shine. And अगर आप में से कोई टीचिंग करियर में जाना चाहता था या टीचिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ काम था जो कि खत्म हो रहा था, या जो आपको बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही थी, या आपको कुछ अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली थी, then this is the right thing for you and it is the right time for you and this teaching thing will definitely move on. But उससे पहले आपको मेक श्योर करना है कि आर यू रेडी, कि आप जिनको ये सिखाने जा रहे हो, जिस भी जगह टीचिंग, इट कैन बी अ स्कूल टीचिंग, इट कैन बी अ कॉलेज टीचिंग, और यू कैन बी वांटिंग टू बी अ करियर कोच और समथिंग, ओके. बट आपको ये मेक श्योर करना है कि आप जिन लोगों को सिखाने जा रहे हो, आर दे एक्चुअली completely involved in this, like आप उनको completely involved कर पा रहे हो, you have the right skills for it or not. You have to make sure about this, okay. So with the strength card we are seeing here कि you know you have put a lot of strength into this situation, whatever it was, and this beautiful lady has infinity over her head, which is actually grabbing my attention a lot. And number 8, so with number 8 we can see that there was something जो कि आपकी लाइफ में problematic था last 6 months से, या probably अगस्त से, जो आपकी लाइफ में problematic चल रहा था. But now with all of your strength you have finally, you know, it is the right time for you to move on from it, and the universe is supporting that decision. और अगर कुछ ऐसा था जो आपके लिए वर्क नहीं कर रहा था, so now the universe is pushing you towards it. So with all the efforts which you have put in with the sun card and the sunshine जो आपने बाहर लाने की कोशिश की है, now finally वो efforts आपके जितने भी थे वो सब बाहर आ रहे हैं, and it's getting to the sunlight. So जो भी stuck energy थी, it is getting moved, but you have to make sure that you are ready for it. And आप जिसके लिए भी आप जो भी करना चाह रहे हो, आपके पास right skills हैं. So I see you are a very intuitive person. जो भी है mostly आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा intuitive थे, and you somewhere you knew कि आपको ये चीज़ इसके लिए सीखनी पड़ेगी ही, तो ही आप इधर पहुंच पाओगे. आपके इस सनशाइन तक आप तभी पहुंच पाओगे जब आपको ये स्किल सीखनी पड़ेगी, या जो भी आप मेहनत करना पड़ रही है अभी आपको अंदर से कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज़ का अंदाजा था कि मुझे ये मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, तभी मैं इस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकल पाऊंगा, या मैं इस सिचुएशन को पा पाऊंगा, या मैं इस सनशाइन तक पहुंच पाऊंगा. यू ऑलरेडी न्यू दैट समवेयर इन योर हार्ट. So we'll just pull some more cards to gain a little more clarity about if this thing is actually coming for you, if it is actually profitable for you. So we have these 2 cards, okay. So both of the cards are very beautiful. As you can see, this is King of Swords and Queen of Swords. So both talk about taking the responsibility of whatever it is, because if you take the responsibility, see with this Queen of Swords, she is very focused into her goals. She has set her intentions very clear and she knows what she wants, okay. So you have to know what you actually want and set your intention very clearly about it. And freedom, so anything which you want, you know, good things in your life, this give you freedom. And जो भी आप अभी सीख करना चाह रहे हैं, I'm seeing that this will give you a lot of money freedom, financial freedom, relationship freedom, whatever you're seeking, so the freedom is coming forward, and lot of transformation here also, and here also, you know, with the butterfly, lot of transformation is coming forward for you. So you have to embrace this transformation, set your intention very clearly. Just say she is very focused in the one direction she is going towards. You have to set your intention and go towards the one direction. Make sure that you are very clear about what you want, because whatever you want, it's now getting for you, because you have a lot of strength. So आप जिस भी चीज पे अपना ध्यान लगाओगे, मन लगाओगे, आपको वो चीज मिलने लग जाएगी. And you are very close to the sunshine. Like you have done a lot of मेहनत, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत की है आपने, आपके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा पावर है, आपको पता था, अंदाजा था, सो आपने कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत की, and you've suffered also. That I'm seeing that you've been miserable with whatever it was, but now you're coming out. So please set your intention very clear, ready to be transforming. जितना भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लगता है, just take the responsibility of it, because both the king and queen talks about taking the responsibility, the freedom, and the strength which you have within, which you can really put forward, but with the right mindset. Okay, because it's a swords card. They talk about the mindset. So your mindset should be very clear, and बहुत ही clear cut idea लगा के आपको बहुत ही clear cut steps लेने हैं, and then you'll be actually reaching that place. So what we'll now do is we'll actually do a pick a pile thing, so that we are actually clear, मतलब, because every situation is different for different people. So let me just pick 3 cards which we can use as pile A, pile B, and pile C. Okay, so we'll just pick the cards very quickly. Okay, so yeah, so this is pile A, and this is going to be a pile B, and this is going to be a pile C. Okay, so we can name it as sunshine, moonlight, and the wisdom. So whatever name you're drawn to, or ABC, whatever you're drawn to, please take a while, take a deep breath. You can pause the video and come back. So I'll put the timestamps in the description below. You can just go towards it and choose your pile. Okay, sunshine, moonlight, and wisdom, whatever you're drawn towards. Okay, hi pile A, sunshine. So your card is Ace of Cups card. So it seems like you were actually very much crying over it. First of all, I want to highlight that this is Ace. So Ace highlights new beginnings for you. Okay, so you're definitely going towards a very beautiful new beginning, but it is something which you were very much crying over, with all the emotions overflow हो रहे हैं. You were very much crying about it, and the angels are actually saying no, don't cry, because the new beginnings are actually with you, with all the sunshine and sunlight coming forward. So see, it's like very much synchronicity. So it is actually already resolved, and आपने जितनी भी मेहनत इस पे की है, आप जो भी इसमें एफर्ट डाल रहे थे, it has actually led to a beautiful फूल, बहुत सुंदर सा कमल का फूल खिल रहा है, and everything is getting into the pure wisdom, pure light, which is, आपने जो भी एफर्ट डाले थे वो actually it is getting and becoming a beautiful flower. The flower which I am getting drawn towards right now with this is lotus, and lotus talks all about prosperity. Okay, so you're going to get lots of prosperity, and prosperity comes in million forms. Okay, so prosperity doesn't mean financial or relationship or something. It means overall abundance, like in all the directions of your life. Okay, so you're going to get prosperity in all the directions of your life. See, since this is a cups, which is very emotional card, and so what I'm getting is कि first of all, if you were crying about it, stop crying. It is already yours. If you were happy about it, then well and good. Universe really wants to give a pat on your back and just tell you that okay, आप जो खुश हो रहे थे, that is well appreciated. You were very patient, and now this is going to be yours. So all the new beginnings are going to be yours. बट इसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा अपने इमोशंस पे काम करने की ज़रूरत है. थोड़ा सा काम हो जाइए, थोड़ा सा, इवन इफ यू आर वेरी मच एक्साइटेड. ओके, lot of excitement is actually, it feels really great, but sometimes it can generate a little fear. So you need to get a little calm down. And जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी जनरल रीडिंग में बताया था कि आपको अपना इंटेंशन क्लियर करना है, और इंटेंशन क्लियर करना ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा सुखी होते हुए ना ही बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी होते हुए पॉसिबल नहीं होता. सो जस्ट रिलैक्स एंड टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ एंड शांति से बैठ के अपने इमोशंस पे काम कीजिए एंड जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू एक्चुअली वांट एंड टेक सम स्पेस दो उसको आने के लिए. सो इसे बहुत ज़्यादा ही ओवरफ्लो हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा स्पेस चाहिए उसे, और स्पेस देने के लिए यू कैन जस्ट forget it for a while probably, or if you've already done that, you're not putting so much effort into it, बहुत ज़्यादा आप उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो, which actually is not coming here, but आप अगर उस पर बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं भी दे रहे हो अभी, so still just meditate and understand कि आपको थोड़ा सा उससे दूर होने की ज़रूरत है, and it is actually coming for you. थोड़ा सा last bit of effort जो भी लगना है that you have to put, but वो effort अब सारा effort emotional है, physical effort, mental effort you've already put. Now is the emotional thing which is left. So just sit with you and balance your emotions, and it is yours. Okay. Pile number A. Okay, pile number B, Moonlight. So this is your card, and see the moon, and it's like wow. Okay. So the eclipse has ended, and the eclipse has now ended, and the truth is actually coming to the light. I know it looks like confusing, and mostly it seemed like a kind of a negative card. With all the reading which we have done earlier, it is coming out to be a very positive card, because what I'm getting from this is it is number 18, that is 9. 9 talks about Mangal, so it's like everything is going to be good. Number 1. Number 2, what I'm seeing from this is the eclipse season is over, the truth is coming to the light, and अभी तक आपके जो भी pillars थे जिस पे आप hold on to कर रहे थे, like your pillars, something which you were holding on to make sure that you get to the end. It can be some kind of activity like yoga, meditation, it can be some person, it can be something, anything that was actually giving you the strength. So just keep on holding on to that thing and उसको अपने साथ लेके आके the goal which you wanted, the path is very clearly yours. You are going to reach there. Okay, it is already yours, it is already set, and path बहुत ज़्यादा clear है. Although it seems like a curvy one, but clear है. Okay, so you are going to get there. Eventually आप वहाँ तक पहुँच जाओगे. But अभी you have to keep a little patience. थोड़ा सा patience के साथ आगे बढ़ो. And बहुत टर्मोइल अभी भी है, इवन दो एक्लिप्स सीजन इज ओवर, बट आफ्टर मैथ थोड़ा सा टर्मोइल अभी भी बचा है. सो उसके लिए यू शुड अवॉइड एनी हर्टफुल सिचुएशन इफ यू थिंक यू कैन नॉट हैंडल इट, बिकॉज विद दिस कार्ड वी कैन सी दैट डेफिनेटली देयर इज लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन, लॉट ऑफ पेन व्हिच हैज बीन accumulated. So and even if the thing is not the pain with you but the confusion or some kind of burden which you are carrying, physical, mental, any burden, so उसके चलते I think you should just avoid painful situations at this while. Like it can be painful situation in sense of कि अभी कोई बड़ा आप if it is about only about finances, तो अभी कोई बड़ा आप financial burden मत लो. Just have a थोड़ा सा सब्र रखो, थोड़ा सा इस चीज़ों को और क्लियर होने दो. Let the truth come forward, अच्छे से सारी चीज़ों को हो जाने दो. Let something, मतलब आपको जब कुछ physical evidence दिखने लगे, then only just move forward with, especially with the financial thing. अभी इस season में even if it is over, aftermath is still left, and you should just keep that thing, मतलब थोड़ा सा patience रखो, तुरंत decisions मत लो अभी, ठीक है. And if it is about something emotional, then just avoid hurtful situation. अभी आपको अपने आप को संभालना है, अपने mental state को संभालना है, बिकॉज अभी किसी से भी कोई भी बहस करके, किसी भी तरह का आर्ग्यूमेंट करके, कुछ भी समझाने की कोशिश करके शायद वो एफर्ट नहीं आएगा जितना अगले 5-4 दिनों में आने वाला है, ठीक है. सो व्हाई वेस्ट योर एनर्जी व्हेन यू कैन जस्ट सेव इट फॉर लेटर. ओके, इट कैन बी पॉसिबल कि समवन मे पुल यू इनटू द हर्टफुल सिचुएशन. सो आई से जस्ट डोंट गेट इन्वॉल्व्ड इनटू एनी काइंड ऑफ ड्रामा. Even if someone is pulling you in, just say what you want to. Try to say as less as possible and just say that I'm not really, you're not really into the conversation right now, and just take a break for some time, because it's like आपको थोड़ा सा 2-4 दिनों की और मोहलत की ज़रूरत है, जिसके बाद आप एक्चुअल में सही से सोच पाओगे कि आपको क्या जवाब देना है। बट श्योरली नो मैटर वॉट, आप उस कन्वर्सेशन में पहुंचते हो नहीं पहुंचते हो, आप ये फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन लेते हो नहीं लेते हो, जो भी सिचुएशन है आप जो भी करते हो, द पाथ कैन टर्न अ लिटिल हियर एंड देयर, बट surely you will reach there. Okay, just hold on to the pillars and just know that the truth is coming forward. Okay, just believe in yourself and keep on moving. Okay, thank you so much, pile number B, Moonlight. Bye bye. Hello, pile number C. So this is your card which talks about the wisdom, and it is 8 of Wands, which actually is the card for taking all the opportunities which is available for you. But since all the opportunities available for you, you have to think with lots of wisdom. Actually में आपको कौन सी opportunity pick करनी है. Not every opportunity seems as lucrative, and even for some of you इसमें से कोई भी opportunity आपको बहुत अच्छी नहीं लग रही है. It is like a kind of water जिसमें you feel like you're actually drowning somewhere. It's like even if I choose this opportunity or that opportunity, nothing seems really good. But trust me, it is going to be good for you. Okay, and actually it is going to give you lots of prosperity. बहुत सारी prosperity है आपके लिए, and of course the water is there and you're feeling kind of drowned and you're feeling like you'll not be able to get up and get there, but you will. Okay, just remember you chose the wisdom card. Okay, that actually says a lot about your own mindset, that you are ready to put in the mental effort and be very careful and take the right steps and reach there. Okay, that's what wisdom does. So be the wisdom. Okay, so with this card, the energy what I'm getting is ki, see, you have been waiting for it, or you have been working for it since past 8 years, 8 months, or probably since 8th of August. Something related to number 8. You have been working for it, and it's like it's about stability. It's about getting to the shore. You have been like in some kind of imbalance, and you want to get to the shore now. And you've been very loud about it, like इमोशनली यू बीन लाइक समवेयर, या तो आप एकदम ऐसे हो गए थे एकदम डिटैच्ड कि यार पता नहीं मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, या तो फिर यू बीन लाइक इन लॉट्स ऑफ टर्मोइल कि यार ये मिल जाए, या यू बीन लाइक ओके मिल ही जाएगा. सो दीज आर द 3 stages which many of you were in. So with any opportunity you choose, as I'm saying, like आप कोई भी opportunity choose करो, you'll actually be very profitable because you're actually guided. Okay, you're actually guided and protected. और वो जो intuition card आया था, it seems like it was the most for you with the water situation coming. So this was the most for you, which I really feel. So you were very much guided and protected and already there. Okay, you're already there. All you need now is just take the step. You have done all your hard work, and this opportunity that is coming forward to you, all of these is actually the result of your hard work, and somewhere you know that, and if you don't, then you should know that. Okay, because this is the result of your hard work. So that's all I have for you. So take the opportunity. It is going to give you all the best results क्योंकि आप बहुत ज़्यादा guided और protected हो, Pile C, and with the wisdom you have, we all know you're going to make the best choice. Okay, loads of love. Bye bye.